Hey, you already know what the fuck going on, man. Gotta come hard on this one. Hey, little tell me you niggas is stupid. Cause a lot of y'all just talk too much and don't talk, just do it. And my S with S now, I hope my bitch don't do it. I hope you know that I'm next by now. If you can't see, boy, you clueless. Bitch, I'm eating like lunchtime. Call it them like brunch time. I don't give a fuck like drumline. I'ma beat it up like drumline. Hit it up, then it wrong one time. Fucking your bitch like one time. I got the heat like sunshine. I want your bitch and I want mine. I got the beans or green. I got the Charlie and Sheen. I got the butter and bean. Pecan, what you mean? Movie just like the scene. I be getting the green. Watch me watch it gleam. Hella giggling with my team. I know your bitch a fiend. Yeah, she fucking with me. She in love with a D. I give her master with a P. She all up on my penis. Bad bitch, hyenas. Fuck your bitch and her anus. Don't give a fuck, she don't say shit. Curious joy with the jungle. Don't give a fuck, no fumble. I'm ballin' out, watch me hustle. I'm strong nigga with the muscle. Nigga got it out the gutter. Don't give a fuck what you heard. I'm flying in a fucking bird. I'm out the air like a curb. Flip it, stick it, London, tip it. Watch me rip it when I run through your crib. Watch me blitzing, I be hitting niggas mad. Call of Duty shit. I ain't never missing at your head, at your dome. No mat, I got the chrome. All up in my zone, sub-zero when I blow. Niggas mad cause they know I got that fat Joe. Now watch me lean, I talk a bat. Serving a fiend, serving him crack. Niggas they talking, I know that you lack. I don't give a fuck, man, your music is whack. Gang, you know what the fuck going on, man. And it's crazy cause I freestyle this shit, man. Stop fucking playing with me. I do this shit, nigga, 2018, man. Dre Montana, baby. You know what the fuck going on, man. Remember that name, man.